to another episode of Cooking on the Road with Scotty B. Today we're going to be doing a international dish, I guess you could call it. We're going to make sauerkraut and brats, and it's going to be delicious as per usual. But we're going to employ our old friend, the pressure cooker, again, and show you how useful that is in this instance to make all the flavors mix and cook real good in this. When I say cooking with sauerkraut and brats, you can use any meat you choose. My wife makes up fantastic sauerkraut and ribs. This time I'm using cheddar brats. You can use regular brats, you can use Polish sausage, you can use smoked sausage. Any type of meat that you like, it works just as well. So let's get at it. So we're going to cube these two potatoes up and get them in the pot. I'm going to cut this little bad spot off here. Now you can peel them if you want. I like them unpeeled. So that's what we're going to do here. And to save a little time, I'm going to do them and get them in the bowl and then get them in the pot. All cubed up and ready to go in the pot. We're going to take our brats and we're going to cube these. And then we're going to put them in the pressure cooker and put a little sear on them. Give them a little color. It adds to the flavor of the dish as well. So get them all cubed up. So what we want to do now is add about a teaspoon or tablespoon, and put our sausages in and set our pressure cooker to brown. And slide these right in and let those do their thing for a few minutes. Next, we're going to sliver our onion. Get that ready. Now we have the outer layer gone. Cut her in half. Sliver her up. Get that ready to add to the pot as well. We have our baby carrots here as well. Don't really need to do anything with those. Those come pretty clean. They're peeled and washed. So all you need to do is to select however many you want to throw in there and do it. Our brats are browning nicely. Give those a few more minutes and get some color on them. All right, let's take a look-see and see how they're browning. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. That kind of color. Definitely helps with the flavor too. Alright, I think we're ready. So we turn the brown function off and get ready to add the other ingredients. Now we have what you call a chicken broth pouch, and this will enhance the flavor as well. Add that accordingly, and we put our veggies in. Open our can of sauerkraut and place that in as well. Then we place some carrots in. That should do nicely. Put a little salt and a little pepper in. About a teaspoon of each. If you like more, you can add more later. And I'm going to do a little bit different take on it this round. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a small can of tomato sauce. This is 8 ounces of tomato sauce. And we're going to see where this takes us, because this is the first time I've done it with this. And I've got a feeling that it's going to be excellent. Now just add a touch of water, about a half cup. Because there's, like I say, there's a lot of water in the vegetables themselves, and that will get extracted in the cooking process. And close her up. Slide it to the lock position. Put the release valve in seal mode, and then set it for 10 minutes and start. It's building pressure as we speak. Only take, it says 10 minutes, but it takes a little bit longer to build the pressure, so I would say closer to 15 minutes. Okay, as we wait for that to get cooked, we're going to prepare our green beans. And nothing fancy here, just real basic stuff. We're going to drain the green beans into a cup here, and just place the green beans in the can, or in the bowl, I should say. Now we're going to place that's a little much. A little bit of butter in there, and we're going to salt and pepper it, and that way it is ready to go into the microwave. But you can't run the pressure cooker and the microwave at the same time, because that would overload your inverter. I've got a 1500 watt inverter. Pressure cooker is about 1000 watts, and the microwave is about 1000 watts. So do the math, right? So one at a time. So we'll be microwaving this once our pressure cooker is done doing its job. Pressure cooker just got done counting down 10 minutes and went into warm mode. So we're going to we're going to release the pressure here in just a second, but we're going to start our green beans and get those all warmed up and ready to go too. I'm going to start the green beans for 2 minutes, and then we will stir them and put them back in for another minute, and they'll be ready to go too. All right, green beans are all done, warmed up, ready to go. Okay, pressure's all released. Lift. Oh, that looks great. That looks beautiful. I see what I mean about liquid. The vegetables give off quite a bit of it, so that is beautiful. Bring the sausages up from the bottom there a little bit. There we go. Okay, let's plate this up and get ready to enjoy. Now, if that don't look good, I don't know what does. Well, time to give it a try here and see what we got going on with the taste. That tomato sauce added another depth of flavor. Totally good. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. Thanks for joining me. Hope you come back next time. Like and subscribe to the video. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. Thanks again.